Well, I'm in the process of stripping what was this red paint off the whole body because it wasn't bonded very well. If you stuck a bit of masking tape on it, not masking tape, duct tape, when you pulled the duct tape off, the paint come off. So it's not worth putting new paint on it if the layer underneath's no good. I have found a bit of rot. Nothing drastic, but the other side's not as bad. It's taken some time, just scrape, scrape, scrape. This side hasn't got any nosh in it like the other side has a bit. It's 80 years old. Getting in all these little details and getting that paint out is a bit of a mission. These sides and that I can just sort of grind the paint off. All the arches will be stone chipped anyway. Got the bit of floor that the chap I got it off had made. I've just got to make up another piece to cut that up because I cut the battery box out. Done a little repair to the arch up there. It's been welded in and then seam sealed. Scraped the whole roof, which was the easiest bit to do. It's all the nooks and crannies that's the hard bits. Little repair to the lip. That's the Chrysler steering column that come with it. Hoping to be able to use that somehow. If not, and it might be sold before I get to that stage. Pleased with the new floor and bulkhead, high wall. Cleaned the discs. Got the calipers off, which are laying down there, and freed the pistons up. They were all right, so they're serviceable. Just all needs cleaning up and painting. As you can see from outside, it's a beautiful day out there. Gary's took his bike and his car out so that I could blow the workshop out a bit, get some of the dust. But there we have it. Gonna have a coffee.